That it's better for him to die. It's better for him to achieve Biafra and die. Eh? What will Tinubu offer him again that will turn his heart? Or what suffering will he face now that he has not faced?
Do you notice how time Nnamdi accept whatever the federal government is offering him, and at the same time, do you think that he will fall for them? Because
I am Mr. Kwadeni Okokondem. I do laugh. If Tinubu will send Nnamdi Kanu, let me offer you something. What will you offer Nnamdi Kanu that Buhari have not offered Nnamdi Kanu? What will Tinubu offer Nnamdi Kanu that Buhari have not offered Nnamdi Kanu? What Tinubu will offer to Nnamdi Kanu that British government have not offered to Nnamdi Kanu? Today, said British government sent delegate to come and tell him, if you drop Biafra, we will back you up to be a president of Nigeria. And whatever you want, you get it. You tell them no. Because of it, British abandoned him.
was that story true?
It's true, my brother. I am Mr. Kwadeni Okoko. I'm telling you that it's true. It's true.
The British came.
British came, sent their delegates. Meet him, Koje prison. That time, he said no. Even now, they come again, meet him. He said no. That it's better for him to die. It's better for him to achieve Biafra and die. Eh? What will Tinubu offer him again that will turn his heart? Or what suffering will he face now that he has not faced? What suffering? Do you know that the suffering Nnamdi Kanu passed in Kenya for 8 days is more than what he has passed since he's in detention, since 2021 is in detention? Do you know how many times Nnamdi Kanu give up to ghost in Kenya and came back again?
Why do you say so? How? What do you mean by that?
Nigerian delegates, Nigerian secret agents that went there to bring him with Kenya police. Do you know how they torture him? Do you know how they beat him? Because they beat him. They beat him. He died. The last one he died and woke up, made Uhuru Kenyatta to fear and said, "Oh boy, come. Where Buhari? Come on."
He was there for 8 days. Not that they went there to capture him immediately.
They capture him and keep him for 8 days. Torture him. Up to 3 or 4 times he give up to ghosts and later come back again. The last one made Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta to be fear and said, "Nigeria, beg, come and carry na wahala go." As the man no gree die here.
What was beating him? Was it the
both Nigerian delegates they send and the Kenya police? It was Kenya police arrest him first. They start tormenting him before Nigeria reach. Finally, they have nothing to do than to fold him and take this led to Ifanyoba jet. And take Ifanyoba jet to bring him back home. They only opened his eyes and he saw himself in Nigeria. You see? So what offer or what torment, what threatening of life that Tinubu administration will threaten him than what Operation Python Dance of Buhari have done to him? Now you want him to abandon Biafra. You want him to mellow down on Biafra. Why can't you start in time? This negotiation you want to do, this bargain you want to do, why not you start it in time? When Kanu was only crying for restructuring, if Nigeria listened to Kanu's voice of restructuring, both Biafra and Nigeria could not have reached this stage. I think it was in Britain that now they started restructuring. They say no. Okay, if you don't want to restructure, then I will secede with my people. That's why it started the secession. And that is the time Nigeria started to listen. But when he was begging them, they did not listen. Now, when he started to shouting on them, they start to listen. Then what type of offer will Tinubu offer him when he have lost his mother, lost his father, even dog? They kill Nigerian army, shoot a dog. To tell you if they see Nnamdi Kanu, what they will do him. He escaped with injuries. and went to Israel and treated himself for good 4 years. He was under treatment for good 1 year, not 4 years. For good 1 year, he was under treatment. If Nnamdi Kanu will succumb, he could have suffered in Operation Python dance. He could have succumbed when he saw the blood of Igbo youth in a head bridge on nature, where they were slaughtered. Like where Samson killed the Philistines. Nigerian army slaughtered them. You are asking me who slaughtered them? Nigerian army slaughtered them. Just like when Mandela carried Asaba massacre under the supervision of Ibrahim Taiwo during the Biafra war. They carried the whole community, finished them, go house to house, killing them, as they were doing now. And now you are expecting to Nnamdi Kanu to drop Bello down on agitating. Why can't you start in time? Now that water have gone above the garret, now the water have reached Nigeria on the neck. Now they remember dialogue or a settlement. What offer? They will offer Nnamdi Kanu. Now, if they want to give offer to Nnamdi Kanu, why are they going against Simon Ekpa? They could bring Nnamdi Kanu out and let Nnamdi Kanu speak to Simon Ekpa. Now, you want to catch Simon Ekpa and one bring Simon Ekpa, one bring Nnamdi Kanu out. Is it not a person carry dog in his house or her house and go market and sell the dog in the market? On the way coming back, a buy monkey, come back home. Are they not the same thing? Are they not the same thing? You have dog in your house. You carry dog, you go sell the dog. Coming back home, you buy monkey and come and keep again. You want to set Nnamdi Kanu free and you want to cage Simon Ekpa. And all of them were on the same course. Simon Ekpa is building on is finishing the building. Nnamdi Kanu starts. Ojukwu laid the foundation. Nnamdi Kanu start building. Simon Ekpa want to finish it up. Which means you don't want that to building to be finished. You don't want that to structure to be completed. What will Tinubu offer him? I will give you all you well. 2033, he will be the president of Nigeria to fool Igbo people. But thank God, Nnamdi Kanu is not like these Efrefu politicians. You wait. Buhari, when he was in power, he said, the only thing will make Igbo people to be president of Nigeria unless they vote APC massively. All the whole Igbo leaders, Igbo politicians, they come from PDP. They come from PDP to APC. So that they will have 2023 presidential tickets. The letter Ezife, Okwadike. If you don't give Igbo man presidency in 2023, all of us will become IPOB. Where are they? 2023, are they president? Where are they? Are they all of them not Nigeria? Have all of them become IPOB? You hear the smell. You open mouth and be talking rubbish you cannot be able to fulfill.
I've seen an old video where Nnamdi Kanu father specifically said that my son Nnamdi Kanu cannot drop agitation for anything that the government. He said then as a then, I think that was an interview like 7 years ago, 8 years ago. He said the son can never drop agitation for whatsoever. He said they've offered him so many things. You know, this was confirmed by his father, but he has rejected it. He said no, that he can't drop the fight for Biafra for any other thing.
This is a father that knew his son. This is a father that knew what he had bring into this world. That is a man of one word. Likewise, the father may be a man of one word. Although I haven't got anything interact with the father before the father. I don't know his father personally, but like father, like son. Now, the father knew that Nnamdi Kanu will not drop agitation of Biafra, and he trusts his son. That's why he said that word with confidence. And that's one of the things that made them to kill his father. Even there was a time when the demonstration was going on, protests were going on. A father came and joined the protest. Nnamdi Kanu came, his father, Oku Kanu, came and joined the protest. Live, not hiding, because he knew that his son is fighting for a just cause, and he knew that the by and by Biafra will be. Then he come and join the protest. When other traditional rulers in Abia State, all of them run away. This is our Igbo people. All of them run away. And this is part of these two things, that his son will never drop agitation. No matter what government of Nigeria did to him or promise him, he will never drop agitation. Secondly, he follow to do the protest. He follow, do the protest. This is why when they did not spare the old man, they did not spare the old man, they kill him and kill his wife, kill dog. Now you want Nnamdi Kanu to lost his father, lost his mother, even his dog, he lost it. Now you want him to drop Biafra. You kill him. Okay, what if he die in Kenya? Will he be in grave and drop Biafra? Eh? Your court have ordered his release. You say no. Okay, is it when he drop Biafra that your court will order release, you agree to release him? Eh? Drop Biafra on what ground? When Biafra have been recognized the whole world now, Biafra, the whole world have recognized Biafra. The only thing remains to the fulfillment of bringing Biafra home, government in exile, bringing it down home. That's the only thing that remains. Then you are asking Nnamdi Kanu to forfeit it. Okay, if Nnamdi Kanu will start to collect the term of agreement to stop Biafra, then we start from Buhari. He go back and fulfill Buhari own. After Buhari own, he will fulfill the British own. After British own, before Tinubu, Jagaba own. You understand? So Tinubu cannot fear. Tinubu can deceive other Igbos, but not Nnamdi Kanu.
What do you think that Tinubu is? So what do you think that Tinubu is? Do you think that Tinubu is what do you think the government and Tinubu, they are skeptical as regard releasing Nnamdi Kanu? Do you think that they are scared of as regards his popularity, and are they scared that 2027 in my truncate plan as regards voting there in the southeast, voting against or not even participating in voting, as regards 2027?
You see, Tinubu has so many agenda that we make him not to release Nnamdi Kanu. Tinubu have entered into agreement with the northern government of Nigeria, Fulani government of Nigeria, that do not allow any Igbo man that doing agitation to succeed. Don't release Nnamdi Kanu, unless with condition that he will do this, he will do that. Do not allow someone else to succeed. These are part of the secret agreement he entered with them. But this is a few Igbo people don't know. And people cannot do it. So that he will still rig election for him in 2023. I mean, in 2027.
But with this pressure now, do you not think that Tinubu will finally succumb to releasing Nnamdi Kanu?
Tinubu will not succumb.
Will not succumb.
If Tinubu will succumb.
But what Kanu is saying is, and Bianca, you not see them, you not see him releasing it.
He will still use if they will release Kanu, they will still use Bianca to deceive Kanu to agree on what federal government has said. But Kanu is not a person like that. Kanu is not a Samson. Kanu is not Samson. And as far as Kanu is not Samson, Delilah, the two Delilahs will not succeed. Bianca Ojukwu, Delilah Bianca Ojukwu, and Delilah Chinchi Uchechi cannot succeed. Nnamdi Kanu is. To deceive him, to convince him to drop Biafra, they can't succeed. Nnamdi Kanu is coming out with the Biafran flag and stepping into the Republic of Biafra. Let me tell you that, whether they like it or not, they will hold him entire. When Apata hold Nelson Mandela, do they think that next Mandela will come out? Nelson Mandela was in prison where they hold him. Apartheid destroyed. Nelson Mandela come out. So they will hold Nnamdi Kanu. Biafra will restore. Nnamdi Kanu will come out. And Nigeria will come begging for reconciliation as apartheid beg black South African for reconciliation. I'm telling you honestly. That reconciliation, the one refused to do. It was now that we do it. They will beg Biafrans. Let us have diplomatic relationship. They will beg Biafrans. I'm telling you honestly. You understand what I'm saying? Tinubu was fearing again. Is fearing again that if he releases Nnamdi Kanu will come up and champion immediately restoration of Biafra. And immediately Biafra departed, Yoruba will be alone. Now, you will not hear southern Nigeria, east and the west, southern Nigeria, northern Nigeria, whatever they are over there. Now we hear southern Nigeria, only north, we hear southern Nigeria, only the west, Yorubas, is the only southern Nigeria you hear again. Biafra will never be under southern Nigeria protectorate anymore. The only people will be under southern Nigeria protectorate are the Yorubas, only the Oduduwa. The north and the will face the Oduduwa. In the election, they cannot win again. You understand what I'm saying? Now, if in that time, the election now will not be Yoruba or Oduduwa, Arewa or North, you will lose so and so time. When not to lose so and so time, they will say it's southern time. They will rob Igbo man and give it to West. West will rule. If you come up again, they will say it's northern time. Northern will take and rule again. When they rule, they will say it's southern time. They will push Igbo man again out and give it to Yoruba. So they will continue to rotating the president on their own. But if Biafra go, Yoruba will stand on their own. Not to stand their own. Now they will campaign. 8 years expire. Another man will take over. 8 years expire. Because I'm sure they will marginalize Yoruba. So all this is what Tinubu is fearing, not to release Nnamdi Kanu until he finishes 8 years and hand over to another person. Then whosoever want to release Nnamdi Kanu will release him. He have ruled his own 8 years, which you know he cannot come and contest anything again in Nigeria. Then any Yoruba man that want to contest, anyhow he get to them, let them take it. It doesn't concern him because Tinubu don't know anybody. The only person Tinubu know is Tinubu. Forget this one. He said it's Zagaba. He give money. He appoint people. He use you for himself. Anybody Tinubu give anything or any appointment, he use that person for himself. Tinubu don't know anybody. The only person Tinubu know is Tinubu. So it doesn't concern whether you are west, whether you are east. It doesn't concern him. So if he rule his 8 years finish, then any Western man or Yoruba man want to contest with North, instead for that person, if they allow him, doesn't concern the person, it doesn't concern him anymore. It's him, that person, and the North. So that's what he's after. That's why you don't want to release Nnamdi Kanu. Because you know that if you release Nnamdi Kanu now, with some money and other things, I'm telling you, 2027 will not reach. Biafra will go.
Okay. But there's a popular prophet, Olujobi. This man, his prophecy are most time accurate. It was one of the persons that predicted that Tinubu will win 2023 election. He said Nnamdi Kanu will soon be set free, but he will drop the fight for Biafra. He said we drop it. Then another group will resurrect, will start agitating. Then the downfall of EPA is already at hand. That was what he said.
I tell that prophet, don't know what he's saying.
No.
No. I said the prophet, you don't know what he's saying. You don't see from God. Devil can give anybody revelation. Devil can give anybody revelation.
No, what is that?
If we fail to achieve Biafra now, tell us when we are going to achieve it. Eh? Nnamdi, okay, let him come and give Nnamdi Kanu spiritual injection to drop Biafra.
That's what God showed him, and most of his.
I say, listen. Do you know that most of the miracles did not come from God? Most of the miracles you are seeing in churches today did not come from God. He did not say in his own. You see why I said his prophecy has come. If he say in 2023 that Tinubu will be a president of Nigeria, I will say yes. But Tinubu will win the election. Now lie, Tinubu will not win the election. But Tinubu is a president of Nigeria, which I myself know that Tinubu will be a president of Nigeria without winning the election. I know. Mr. Padeni Okokondem. Okay, that time you haven't been coming to bus stop here. Ask everybody in bus stop. So listen, Igbos rise up against me. So why am I supporting Tinubu? I said, P2B, come back. Come and judge agitation. You will not beat Tinubu. Tinubu is an old dragon in politics. It's an old dragon in politics. You can't beat him. I told people that they will cast the whole vote to Peter. But at the end, Tinubu will be there. Tinubu will not win the election, but he'll be a president of Nigeria. Not by gun, but by INEC coup, by judiciary coup. And that's what I'm saying. Even Raphael that have a bias, Raphael Bechikure, how many times have slapped me, bus stop? Say, why do I stop? I'm backing Tinubu? I say I'm not backing Tinubu, but I'm telling you the reality. P2B will not be there. It's Tinubu that they have selected both spiritual and physically to be there, but want to take P2B to do camouflage. That is, it was not selected. It was appointment. It was not selected. It was an election. There's something like election. It was selection they did. Then it's going to me, Tinubu did not win the election. But all I know is the president of Nigeria. So is that on prophecy? I mean, those type of people, they should put it aside. Okay.
Look. Once it comes out, he will continue to agitate.
I say, unless they give us artificial nnamdikanu, unless the real nnamdikanu have already died, then they went and clone fake nnamdikanu and give to us. But if it's the real nnamdikanu, you never drop agitation until you get Biafra.
But just like this is Benjamin Kanu said, they are negotiating. Do you not think that negotiating will be part of you must drop agitation for it to be released?
Nelson Mandela did not negotiate for him to drop apartheid pursuit. Did he drop it? Was Nelson Mandela outside before apartheid the end? Nelson Mandela did not drop agitation against apartheid, and Nelson Mandela wasn't outside when apartheid the end. Nelson Mandela was still in detention. Apartheid the end, Nelson Mandela come out and become the first black president of South Africa. There's something I will torture you to succumb, but I will not succumb. There are two things. I agree to torture me. You will torture me, but I will not succumb. That one Nnamdi is there now. And Nnamdi has become a bone in the throat of every person who sits on Aso Rock as Nigeria president. Nnamdi has become a bone in their throat. Swallow it, no way. Vomit it out, no way. You understand? That's what Nnamdi is.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.